Hello kids, welcome to our easy geographic learning video. Today we are going to learn about the country of Benin, its departments, their capital cities and the total area of the country. Benin is the country in West Africa. The total area of Benin is about 1,14,763 square kilometers. Benin has 12 departments. Let's learn them one by one. First is Alibori department. The capital of Alibori is Kandi. Next is Atakora department. Its capital city is Natitingau. The third department is Atlantic Kiwi. The capital of Atlantic Kiwi is Alada. Next come Borgou department. The capital city of Borgou is Paracau. The fifth department is Colinis. Its capital is Savalou. Next is Donga department. The capital of Donga is Dojougo. Now we have Kofu department. The capital city is Aplahoy. Next is Littoral department. The capital of Littoral is Cotonou. Then comes Mono department. The capital city of Mono is Lokossa. Next is Oimi department. The capital of Oimi is Porto Novo. The 11th department is Plateau. Its capital city is Obi. The last department is Jou. The capital of Jou is Abomi. An important fact to remember, Porto Novo is the official capital of Benin and Cotonou is the largest economic capital city. So today we learned Benin is in West Africa. Benin has 12 departments. Each department has its own capitals. The total area of Benin is 1,14,763 square kilometers. Great job kids. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy learning videos. See you in the next lesson.